41 days of doing this live streaming thing every day, which has been interesting so far, to be honest. I've learned a lot, and I've definitely feel, like I said before, feel so much more confident sitting in front of the camera and just kind of being out there, I suppose, in the public domain a bit more. For those that don't know, it is being streamed on my Facebook. Most people probably sit and watch it on the Facebook page, but I have got like a separate YouTube channel separate to my other one. So I've got a YouTube channel for the Taekwondo Club, but I've only got 93 subscribers. So if I get 100, I can change the name of the thing. So if you want to go along to Creative Ways Taekwondo's YouTube and click subscribe, so I can get to 100, that'd be cool, because then I get this option of changing the name of the like the URL. Instead of it being like loads of numbers and letters, I can change it to actually something that means something. So that would be pretty cool. Hello, Eric. How are you? Hope you're well. Yeah, so that's cool. What did I put in the thing? I'm allowed out. Today is my freedom day, so not in isolation today. So today I've been out for a run, been out for a walk, and then I've been out for another walk, and I went to Taekwondo, and I went into a shop, which is really interesting because we were out of toilet roll. So yeah, had to go and get some toilet roll. Anyway, let's move on to this next thing. Topics: weight loss, which is going all right. Diabetes challenge, learn to code, live streaming. Beautiful. So again, as I always say, live streaming now. Tick the box. Ching, ding. When you tick it on a camera, it goes the wrong way, doesn't it? I've got to go that way. Ting. Anyway, whatever. A-level results day today. So Craig got his results. He got DDD, which apparently means distinction, 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 not DDD like GCSEs when I was a kid and D was pretty poor. It came through and it was like DDD, and I was like, that's pretty rubbish, isn't it? Everyone else got A's. But yeah, D's distinction. So that's just me being completely, I don't know, not with the times and incompetent. But anyway, let's move on. Oh, the other thing, solar power. I'll talk about at the end, because it's boring. But I'm finding it like crazy interesting. Anyway, I'm sad. So I have worked out that I need to do, if I want to do this challenge up to 2 million steps still, I need to do, I'm pretty sure it's 26,000 steps a day for the rest of the challenge, which was like 51 days, I think, if my math was correct, which I was never good at maths. But yeah, so that's the plan, basically. Today, I've done 28,005 steps. I had to put the 5 in, didn't I? Otherwise it'd have been 27 something. But yeah, that's good. I think that's actually the most I've done so far since walking up a mountain, which took like, I can't remember how many hours, 6 or something ridiculous. So if you haven't donated, donate. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm still going to go for it. I think there'll be some days where I can probably get more in, and then some days that I'll be a little bit under. I should still hit my 2 million, I think. So that's the plan. Looks like I didn't fill in yesterday, so I will do that after. But it was around 9 or 10,000 yesterday, and then today obviously smashed it at 28,005. So yeah, perfect. Happy with that, and the challenge really is going quite well. Almost halfway through it in terms of the walking and everything else really. So yeah, happy with that. Jenny's to become a coder. So, Eric, are you still watching? Because if you are, there's a guy that I've come across on YouTube, and you probably already know who he is. But I've been watching some of his latest videos down the YouTube rabbit hole. But he's absolutely epic, and so far I've learned loads from him just listening to his live stream. So all of my run today, walking yesterday, out in the garden, and then my 2 walks tonight, I've watched a lot of his videos, and that's the chap I've got a mentor call. It's like a call to join a mentor program on Friday, I think, Friday evening. So I'll let you know how that goes, and yeah, if it's not too expensive, I'll probably end up doing it. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that, to be honest, and I think it might help me turn a corner and actually get doing some coding. Today, actually, I did work on a little bit of CSS grids. So I set up like 5 different grid layouts and had a look at those. So that's been really, really good, really useful. So that's one thing that I've always kind of struggled with, was the layout of all the HTML. So which is HTML on the web page, just how it's kind of laid out on the screen. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Journey to be a coder, really. There's not really a lot else. Yeah. Creative Ways Taekwondo club update. Getting like inundated at the minute, which is good. obviously for new students, which is really, really good. I had 3 new trial today, and then another 2 in the second session trial, adult and a child. Just, yeah, it's really, really positive at the moment in terms of new students and people kind of just wanting to try something new, really. I think where people have been kind of cooped up for so long, I didn't think the summer would be like now, i.e. people normally are away, they're on holiday, they're busy doing stuff. I didn't think now would be as busy as it is, but it is. So it's yeah, it's really, really, really positive, to be honest. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not really much else of a club update for today, unfortunately. So yeah, that's it, done. And today's my first session back to teach, which is good. Obviously from the isolation and stuff like that, so it's good to be able to get out of the house and see everyone. And yeah, everyone did really, really well tonight. Okay, so there was like 4 people watching a minute ago. Now there's 1, which I think is probably going to be Vicky. But anyway, the weight bit, I think most people wait for the weight bit. But anyway, obviously not today. So 10th of August. Why can't I edit that? Oh, I need to double check why I can't edit that. But anyway, right, I'll add it in this way instead. 10th AUGUSNT (?) kilograms. Right. So 10th of August. Where are we going to be at? Oops. How was that selected? I know what's going on. I've got the new software, so it links the 2 together. Okay, cool, perfect. So yesterday was the lowest of the low, 81 kilograms. So I'm hoping today with the extra walking, running, and I haven't had masses to eat, and I'm back on my proper diet now. No junk, no very low carbs. Yeah, that's what I'm back on. So let's see where I get to. Hopefully this works. It does. Beautiful. Get rid of them bad boys. Hold up. 80.70 of it. That is good. It's good. Yeah. 80.70. Sehr gut. I think that means very good. From my back in the day of learning German at school. Yeah. Anyway, so that's my update done. The only thing I didn't talk about was solar panels, solar power, whatever you want to call it. So on whatever it was, last Friday we got solar panels installed, and I've been proper geeking out like on the whole kind of thing. So we've got solar panels installed, and then we've got some batteries as well. So, and there's like a portal and an app, and you can like log in and see where all the power's going. And I've just been geeking out on it all week. And I get this really bad thing, right? I'm going to do a video on it on YouTube, because I found loads of videos on YouTube, and there's loads of proper solar panel geeks out there. And I'm not really a solar panel geek, but I think it is pretty cool. As in, like today I've done like 4 loads of washing, cooked twice, and didn't pay a penny for any electricity. And I just think that's epic. Like tumble dryer, washing machine, and like oven and all sorts of stuff, plus all my work all day at home and stuff like that. And I haven't paid a penny today for electricity, and we've like generated more electricity today than we've used, I think, on the bid, like on a day that we'd normally use like 22 kilowatts or something, and we've generated 26, which is insane. And all the stuff we don't use, it then fills up batteries that we've got. So then when the sun goes down, the house uses the batteries before it uses power from the grid, before you start paying for it. So it's epic, to be honest. Obviously it's not going to be the same in the winter or kind of autumn and all the rest of it, and probably the spring, but kind of spring summer, it's gonna be really good. Anyway, so I've just been properly geeking out on it. So yeah, that's it. I'll do a video separately to my live stream anyway, about the whole system and how it all works and everything, because I think there'll be probably quite a few people that are interested in it on the YouTubes, and more so because the system we've got is quite new. It's only like been on the market for about 6 months, and when I googled it and when I looked on YouTube and stuff like that, I couldn't find anything from anyone who's actually got it that's gone through anything about it. So I think it's probably worth doing that just for that reason as well, just for if other people are kind of getting it fitted and want to find out more information about it before it gets fitted and stuff like that. But anyway, right, I've bored you all to death now, so I'm going to shoot and decide which seaside I'm going to tomorrow. So thanks for watching if you've watched, and have a good evening, and I will catch you tomorrow.